So I took an old shirt, put the logo on it, and put it inside a picture frame. Hanging this on the wall in the home office. As you can see, it came out pretty good. It's pretty big, 22 by 25 to 26. Alright, so look at the old shirt, right? This shirt, it was too big. I had made it like one of the first shirts I'd ever tried to, put any vinyl on. I'll take it, fold it up, and I already put the logo on the other side. So I'm just gonna take it, fold it in there, and put the back on the picture frame. Should be simple enough, So stay tuned, just let's go ahead and put this together. Alright, so I want to lay the back on top of the shirt and make sure the prongs are these little things on the outside. I'm not even sure if that's what they're called, but that's what I think they are. And trying to, put the back inside there without moving the shirt around too much. And since it's a pretty big shirt, I think that was a 2X shirt. It's kind of hard to stuff it inside of the picture frame, but hey, we're getting it. Okay, so I'm pressing down all of these prongs or these things on the side, pressing it down over the back. I'll do all this and hopefully it's lined up correctly. The shirt was kind of hard to stuff in there, so hopefully it still stayed even while doing all that. Alright, so down in there pretty good. Alright, so let's check it out. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Oh, it's crooked. Oh, have to straighten it up. So I'm gonna have to take off the back and redo it because it's crooked right there. Alright, so I'm gonna stop it, and since I already recorded all that, I'll just jump forward, like voila. Magic, just like that. Jump forward. So I already repositioned it, readjusted it and everything, and yeah, so let's check it out. Let's see what it looks like. Now it's even, it's straight. Yeah, check that out. Came out pretty good, right? Alright guys, man, I appreciate you following along as I set up this new home office. And if you want to get something like this, as always, hit me up and tell me what you think in the comments below. Need decals or shirts? I got them. And stay tuned. We have more coming from this new home office setup. The logo in the picture frame.